Hi, my name is Ferris and I came to see Dr. Hadeed for high-def surgery. I first considered surgery, it was actually quite a while ago. I wanted to get my body contoured just for gender-affirming purposes. That was actually many years ago now. So I found Dr. Hadeed just by browsing Reddit, transgender associated communities there. Dr. Hadeed's name came up, recommended for the California area, and so that was, in my mind, a big plus, and so I decided to contact Dr. Hadeed. Meeting Dr. Hadeed for the first time was just, average everyday, really open, friendly, made me feel welcome. A lot of my questions were addressed and a lot of expectations were set. It was really comfortable. It wasn't intimidating. I didn't feel overwhelmed. I'm a very shy person, so it was very comfortable and I really appreciated it. If I could say something to Dr. Hadeed, I would say thank you so much for making this possible. I'm just really excited to kind of get on with my life with a more confident, excited outlook on it and myself.